Pilipinas, hello world. My name is John Lusigro, your investor consultant from Vistaland. Welcome to Milano. Tara, pasok tayo. Milano is located at Balico, Bacoor in Cavite, a condominium that's secure, budget-friendly, and accessible. Welcome to our one-bedroom unit dress-up. You know what guys, isa sa pinakamaganda at tiyak na magugustuhan natin kay Milano is what you see is what you get. So what does that mean? Lahat ng gamit na nakikita nyo from the dining table, washing machine, television, sofa bed, and etc. are all included sa ating RFO once ma-turn over ang property. In short, titirahan nyo na lang. Also, one of the fun fact here in Milano, if you are a pet lover, Milano Condominium is the perfect place that embrace and care your pets. And one of the best reasons why you should invest here in Milano, accessibility-wise, because Milano is 15 minutes to 20 minutes away from MOA and NAIA Airport via Cavitex and NAIA X. So ano pang hinihintay nyo? Invest now. Again, my name is John Lusigro, your investor consultant under Vistaland. Message me for more information.